Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn how to find out monthly depreciation of an asset in SAP. We can find out monthly depreciation of an asset by using SAP transaction code AW01N. In this command field we are going to write AW01N and press enter. Here we are going to write company code, here we are going to write asset number, and if there is any sub asset then we are going to mention here the sub asset number and press enter. Under this posted values tab, we can see here the monthly depreciation charge for this asset, and this green signal shows that all these depreciation has been posted into the system as well. Now coming towards this parameters tab, we can find here the monthly depreciation rate charged for this asset. Also we can find here the starting date of depreciation for this asset. Now the starting date of depreciation for this asset is September 2022, while the fiscal year for this company is July to June. So therefore the depreciation is charged for 10 months only. As we can see under the posted values tab that the depreciation is charged from period 3 and ending at period 12. So the depreciation is charged for 10 months only. Now if we drag down this line, we can see the purchasing cost for this asset and the total depreciation charge and the net book value for this asset. Now coming towards the next fiscal year, we can find and see that the depreciation is charged for all the 12 months, and similarly it has been posted into the system as well. Now again if we drag down this line, we can find here the depreciation which was charged in the previous year and the current depreciation for the whole year, and again that the total depreciation. This is the accumulated depreciation, and again we can find here the net book value. And similarly for the next fiscal year, which is 2025, we can see or observe all the change which have occurred during the year. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.